Stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
They got me. Because I fucking got emotional and I fucking put... What am I doing? What's happening?
You're under arrest. Criminal mischief.
For what?
Taking an axe to the light pole.
You're incriminating me. I did not know. That's hearsay. Is your body cams on? No, you're fucking robbing me, bro.
Bravo 5, 10, 15. Alright. You want to put your shoes on?
Body cams on. Can I just make sure your body can't triple cross it?
You want to put your shoes on?
What am I getting arrested for here? I don't like how you're handling me. I'm complying with you and you're handling me incorrectly, sir. You're being aggressive and you're hurting me.
I'm going to put you in the car.
You ain't going to put me in shit. You put yourself in it.
That's nice.
I'll get you. What's your name?
Hannah?
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 Yeah.
Hey, I'm Officer Gonzalez. I'm going to search you now. Okay, you cooperate with me, we won't have an issue.
I understand. Can I please make sure your body cam is on? I'm not comfortable with anybody.
It is on.
I mean, people. Yes, ma'am.
It's on.
Okay.
Okay, it's rolling. So,
yes, ma'am.
We're good. Come on.
See how she did that, sir? Just saying.
You told me to click my button twice. That would have turned my camera off.
All right, listen, I'm here now. Okay, let's not argue about that. Turn around for me. I'm going to put my hands under you. Okay? What do you have here?
Nothing. I'm just holding my shouts.
You want to fix them? Is it shorts or is it underwear?
Shouts.
Kind of like boxers?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
Cheeks. Cheeks. Right cheek, left leg.
Watch your head.
Oh.
Watch your head. I'm putting my hand on you right here. There you go.
That's my cheeks.
All right.
Touch my cheeks.
Now, if you want to bring this down, I can see your...
All right, battle bird?
Yeah.
It's fine. My dress, too.
All right.
It's fine.
Buckle her up.
Covering you.
Yeah.
Let me put the seatbelt on you, okay? I want you to be as safe as possible.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're fine?
I don't put that on.
All right.
Thank you.
Whatever makes you feel comfortable, all right? All right, Hannah, have a good one.
Appreciate you, Ani. Thank you much. Hey, I'm going to be 53 with this paperwork. I'm going to be 53 with the paperwork. I'm almost done with it.
You already got it done?
Almost. I got to finish up the narrative and then... So, I'll let you know when it's ready. Bravo 5. LV 1053, female 1015, starting mileage is 110158. You understand why you're going to jail, right?
No, I don't. I don't even know what. No, I don't. I'm not going to jail.
Do you want me to explain to you why you're going to jail?
I need the sergeant and everything to get to.
Okay.